It's recording already.
What's up, bitches? This is Nolan and Jimmy, and we stole the car, his mom's car, and we're just cruising. We're about to cruise down the highway. Cause last New Year is lame. Tell him.
Yeah, I can't do it any longer. Them bitches are whack.
Them bitches can't eat my shit. And I look fucked up cause we just got done shaving cream and shit. The shit they do in Last New Year, you know, whatever the fuck they do.
You know what I like.
Boy, baka.
Put it on me. I can't stop thinking about the things you. I know what you like. When I put it on you, I can make your wildest fantasies. You know what I like.
Man.